poppin', it's poppin', it's poppin', it's poppin'.
Hey Glam'Dollz, this is Monnie with another episode, another video coming to y'all with a business tip. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you won't miss none of my videos. Also check out my other videos with my business tips about making thumbnails. I will be doing a video also on how to make credit cards, business cards, and different things like that. So today I wanted to show y'all how I use this photo paper, which is another tip. You can go to the Dollar Tree and get photo paper, and it's like a shiny paper. This is what I use to do my postcards, but today I'm going to be laminating this sheet so that I can use it over and over again for when I be mixing my lipsticks. And if you haven't seen my lipstick, how to make your lipstick bullets, you can look at that video. That is the previous video that I just did. And also, so I just bought all of these. I didn't know I was gonna get this many, but I just got all these laminating sheets. So I'll be laminating a lot of stuff. But I was like, I don't want to keep buying so much stuff. I just bought my Cricut, and I just bought a thermal printer. And so I looked on YouTube and I saw this lady, and she was showing how you can laminate without having a laminator. So I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna try it. So I have my laminating sheet, and we're gonna use an iron. So I'm gonna take my sheet, and this is just a quick video. I'm gonna take my sheet, and I have a t-shirt, and I'm gonna stick it inside of the t-shirt. I have the iron on. So I'm just gonna, and make sure you get like 100% cotton. That's why I have this shirt, it's 100% cotton. And I'm gonna just stick that into here. And now we're just gonna just use the iron. And just like iron. Just like iron the shirt. So we're pretty much heating up the laminating plastic so that it will bond to everything. So let's hope this works. This is a tip that I saw the lady on YouTube did. So I'm just keep gliding it across a little bit. Because the laminating machine, I was like, well, shoot, if you could just use an iron, why not just use an iron? So like I said, this is just a short little quick business tip video. I just got my titanium oxide, so I would definitely be making more lip gloss videos because I was waiting on my titanium oxide. You always want to use a white pigment when trying to achieve and I think it worked. Yeah, it did. And so there you go. Laminated sheet. I just made it with the iron, and I just laminated my sheet. So now when I'm going to do my, it's in there. So now when I go to do my mixing and everything, I have this, and I got this from off of Very Velo Beauty. On her website, she was selling these for $8, and so like I said, she's like my mentor. She's really good about making lipsticks and everything. So this was just a small business tip. Don't buy a laminating machine. Get an iron. Get a cotton t-shirt. This, as you see, is the old one. Stick your paper into there, and yeah, and this is nice and thick because I used the photo paper from the Dollar Tree, and you can get that from the Dollar Tree. It's 8 sheets that you get for $1. So I bought about 5 of those. So I have about 30 sheets. but that's all you do. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. This is Moni with TrubeautyGlamz. Make sure that y'all check out my Facebook group and also my website, and more things to come. I just added some new products and some more things. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. I thank y'all for watching. Always remember, keep God first, and love y'all. Smooches.
It's poppin', it's poppin', it's poppin', it's poppin'.